Hello guys, are you looking cheapest drone? In this video, I will show you top 5 best cheapest drone with camera. See this video and choose your favorite. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products, you can check out the description links below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Holy Stone 4K Drone Foldable. Brand name, Holy Stone. 4K Full HD camera, 120 Hgiyi wide-angle lens, max 13 minutes flying time, modular battery, easy to carry, installation NAD removal. Altitude hold, clearly pictures with altitude hold mode, foldable and protable, same size as your cell phone, 60 max Wi-Fi distance, Wi-Fi app compatible, real time FPV. 1 key takeoff, landing, 3 speeds, 1 key switch speed, 3D FILP 360 rolling, compatible with 3D VR glass. Number 4. Eachine Wi-Fi FPV RC Drone. Brand name, Eachine. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have multiple cameras can be choose. With 480p, 720p, 1080p or 4K HD camera give wide high-definition pictures and video. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying, with 1 key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. With 3.7 volts 1100 mAh battery, the fly time up to 13 minutes. Up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, 3D rolling. Number 3. Laumox 4K GPS Drone. Brand name, Laumox. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with 1 button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Camera lens, 120 degrees adjustable angle camera, 90 degrees flight time, about 18 minutes charging time, about 4 hours control distance, 500 m. Wi-Fi image transmission distance, 300 m. GPS follow me, 30 m. Number 2. Hgiyi GPS RC Drone. Brand name, E. 1080p 4K HD camera, can take pictures, shoot videos and realize real-time transmission. Focal length, 50x zoom, headless mode function, you don't need to figure out its flight direction first to avoid crash. GPS 1 button return, 1 button return to takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent follow, after the aircraft is connected to GPS, turn on the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Working time, about 18 minutes. Number 1. Xingyuchuanqi Durable RC Drone. Brand name, Xingyuchuanqi. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. Follow me, the plane will control the phone fixedly and follow the direction of movement of the operator. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Using 7.4 volts 2000 mAh battery, flight time is up to 25 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.